I'm about to share some dentist-approved natural tips that will keep your teeth and gums healthier than ever. Did you know that nearly 80% of adults experience some form of gum disease by age 34? Crazy, right? That's why today, we're diving into the world of natural dental care, where we'll explore how you can protect your teeth and gums without relying on harsh chemicals. Today we're talking all about natural dental care. And guess what? These tips are dentist-approved. That's right. We're going to share some super effective strategies to keep your teeth and gums healthy using natural methods. So let's jump right in. All right, let's face it, dental issues are super common. Many of us deal with problems like gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath. The typical response? We often reach for those chemical-laden mouthwashes and whitening treatments, thinking they're the only solution. But here's the kicker. Many of these treatments might not even be necessary. They can sometimes do more harm than good. So, how do we tackle these challenges naturally? Well, stick around and we'll get into that. Let's explore some fantastic natural tips and tricks. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.